This is some of the natural stuff I use. Soursop bitters. You know what I'm saying? All natural remedy for colon cleansing. Benefits. Helps reduce the following diseases: cough, asthma, stomach distress, fever, slowing the growth of cancer, suppress inflammation, high blood pressure, hypertension, good circulation of blood, waist pains, diabetes, impotencies. Oh shit. Can't even fucking pronounce this shit. Let me see, impotencies. Fibroids, tumors, lower back pain, cholesterol, improves digestion, strengthen the bones, improves sexual weaknesses in men, increase energy, fights against strokes, low sperm count, piles, koku, and general weaknesses. Ingredients: soursop, neem tree, black seed, honey, lemon root, tamarind, goatweed, Irish moss, hibiscus, garlic, cinnamon, and more. I usually get a bottle of this like every other week or something, or I'll give me some sea moss as well, which pretty much does the same thing. And y'all can see where it's from. Member of Ghana Traditional Association, so it's from Africa. You know what I'm saying? Good health is your best investment. You know what I mean? So let me see, where does it say this thing is? You don't have the tag on this, but this is straight from Ghana though. This is straight from Africa. You know what I'm saying? So this is a natural product that you can use to fight off different things. You know what I'm saying? You take this like once or twice a day, before a meal, after a meal, whatever, stuff like that.
But we must never lose our individuality and identity by permitting ourselves to be submerged in this suffocating sea of indirection and purposelessness. There's nothing wrong with emulation. In fact, it's a good idea, so long as we emulate a person who represents that which we wish to become, but never the crowd, never the 95%. And you know what the answer was, the secret to achievement that I had devoted nearly 20 years to finding? Its pure simplicity had caused it to elude me, just as it manages to elude the majority of the people in any given age. I had been looking for something complicated, something only a mind prepared by years of study could grasp, and I found the answer so simple a child can understand it. In 6 words, we are what we think about. Our minds, our thinking, controls our destinies here on Earth to a degree totally unsuspected by the great majority of people. When you think about it a moment, it becomes so obvious, so clear and simple. Well then, if we become what we think about, and if we can control our minds, we can pretty well tell our own future. And that's the point I want to make. That's what I meant when I said earlier that each one of us is the architect of the structure fashioned by our years. This means that if we're confused about what we wish to become or accomplish, our lives, our environment will mirror that confusion. It also means that if we know what it is we seek, that it must be accomplished. Barring an act of God or a catastrophe over which we have no control, we as individuals can call our own shots for the rest of our lives. We can know what it means to go through life from one success to another, to play life according to the rules and reap the rewards. We can know what it means to have peace of mind and live calm, cheerful, successful lives. You are at this moment the sum total of your thoughts to this point, for there is nothing else you can be. And 5 years from now, you can be and have anything you set your entire mind and heart upon. Turn this record over now, and let me tell you of a way you can use this law to accomplish more in 5 years than the average person does in 40.
Yeah, sitting over there, looking crazy. Look at her, y'all. Look how she's sitting over there. She don't like, see? When the camera on, don't try to hide now. Keep that same energy. Can you talk?
Hey, why you waste up?
Can you talk to the people, man? And tell them folks you've been going through hell and back?
Who wants to talk about that?
Cause everybody, man, people, people need to hear everything. They want to see your struggles of how when you come up, how you come up and the struggles you went through. You human too, just like everybody else. You don't, just because you going through something don't mean ain't nobody else not going through nothing. We all go through different shit. So talk. Tell these folks what you plan on, what you finna do. What's up? What's the, whoa. It's on. You know what I'm saying? Talk about how people, you know what I'm saying? You don't feel like that right now. See? And she talking about starting a YouTube channel, talking about what she feel like. You gotta do stuff when you don't feel like doing it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you that next time.
I'm always doing
You don't
YouTube.
feel like doing
We just came from grocery shopping, y'all.
it. True.
Yeah, I'm getting high in the car, in the truck.
Since when?
Since construction. I just keep my truck clean, you wouldn't know.
Yeah, I know. Because anytime you smoke, you start getting smoke specks on your windshield.
No, I don't.
Any car does.
You can clean that.
It's hard to.
Yeah, I'm finna go for a 7 mile. I'm finna go probably for 9 miles now tonight. Cause I got a lot of hating ass niggas that I want to channel my energy towards. So whenever I'm hated on or whenever I'm feeling like the odds are against me, I go work out. I go burn calories. I go get my body and my temple even more 100%. You dig? For these haters, so when they see me, I look way better than them.
And I go take me a bubble bath.
So yeah, the last video I told y'all we got our truck too. You know what I'm saying? We got our truck repoed. It sucks. Hate it. We got another vehicle as well. We got 2 cars, but the other one got repoed. So we trying to come up with a plan and strategy to get it back and stuff. We was actually finna get it back, pay it, but they came and took it. You know what I'm saying? So we re-strategized in a way where we can come back stronger than ever. You know what I'm saying? Of course. And you know, it's all about using these cars. Like I was just telling her, it's all about using these cars to your advantage. Instead of getting emotionally attached to vehicles, you're not supposed to get emotionally attached to your cars or nothing. This stuff is materials. All this stuff's gonna fade away. We can't take none of this stuff with us. So what we gotta do is learn how to turn what we're using into an asset instead of a liability. Liabilities take money out of our pocket, and assets put money back into your pocket.
But he's driving his slow.
I'm driving hours because both of those cars in both of our name and they both affecting both our credit at the same time. So, you know what I'm saying? We just was a little more up to speed with this one than the other one. And we had a lot of bills hitting at the same time. So it's just what it is, man. It is what it is. So shit happens. But I got a plan. I always got one. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
God has a plan. That's why you just say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
And faith without works is dead. So if you don't get off your ass, you're gonna continue to be broke and get what you've been getting. So you can pray and have faith and all that, but you better be moving too, or you're gonna get swept into the tide with that damn when that tsunami comes.
It's not funny. Let's see.
Just tinted windows. You don't know how to talk to the people, man. You don't know how to engage your audience. You need help with that.
Hush.
Engaging
you
with
need
your
help
audience.
with that. You put the camera on me when I don't feel like it.
That's
When I do that to you, you have a fit.
Action.
You have a fit
Do what
and
you gotta
say,
do.
not right now,
Talk.
Meek. So that's what I'm saying. You gotta be the same way you are to me. You can't expect me to be different.
Y'all see how she is.
Yep, that's how
Extra.
I am. Cancer to the fullest. You don't get along with Leos.
Try telling your 4 kids that.
Whatever. Why? Because they daddy a Leo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure like having kids with the Leo. Damn. We'll catch y'all. Just did my first 9-mile run in an hour. Took me an hour, 26 minutes.